Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting opportunity you don't want to miss: the BingX sign-up bonus. If you're eager to venture into the world of cryptocurrency trading, this is the perfect time for you. When you sign up for BingX using the referral code CHUCHU, you unlock a variety of rewards that can significantly boost your trading experience. This platform not only offers an intuitive user interface, but also a plethora of trading options that cater to both beginners and seasoned traders alike. So, what exactly is the BingX sign-up bonus? By registering through our referral link and using code CHUCHUC, you'll gain exclusive access to various bonuses that enhance your trading journey. These can include free trading credits, reduced fees, or even additional cash bonuses, depending on the latest promotional offerings. It's a fantastic way to jumpstart your trading activities with extra resources at your disposal. But why should you choose BingX as your trading platform? Apart from the appealing sign-up bonus, BingX is recognized for its robust security features and a wide range of cryptocurrencies to choose from. This means you can trade your favorite coins while enjoying peace of mind, knowing your assets are well protected. Getting started is simple. Head over to the BingX website, click on the Sign Up button, and enter your details. Remember to input the referral code CHUCHU to make the most out of your experience. Once you've completed your registration, you'll be all set to explore the market and utilize your sign-up bonus effectively. In conclusion, the BingX sign-up bonus is an incredible chance for you to dive into the cryptocurrency market with an added advantage. Don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU when you sign up, ensuring you maximize your benefits from the very beginning. Thanks for tuning into Crypto Horizon. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the BingX sign-up bonus. Happy trading, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and updates.